I want to bring in Rajdeep Sardesai on this broadcast. Rajdeep this morning spoke with Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Rajdeep, you've spoken with DK Shivkumar a few days ago. Today with Siddaramaiah. What's your sense, Rajdeep? Is this all, a fire essentially that's been started with no reason whatsoever? Or is there some truth to all of this talk that there could be a change in CM?
Akshita, I don't think that there will be a change in chief ministership right away. I think any decision that the Congress takes at the moment in Karnataka will probably be after the Bihar polls, which are scheduled for November. Remember, Bihar is a state where the Congress may not have much at stake because it is not a major player, but the Congress is aware that if it has to sort of establish itself in the Hindi heartland, it needs to start with states like Bihar and particularly reach out to the OBC and the EBC community. And remember, Siddaramaiah is an OBC leader, one of the few senior OBC leaders in the Congress party today. So I don't see anything happening till the Bihar elections are over. I believe that what we are told is that Randeep Singh Surjewala's meeting today is not about leadership change. It's about ensuring that certain board chairpersons are appointed in Karnataka, thereby fulfilling the demands of several party leaders and several MLAs in Karnataka on the ground. What we have been told is that Randeep Surjewala has told the that whatever decision will be taken by the party leadership here in Delhi. But after a few months, there is no immediacy about it. And therefore, no guarantees have been given at this stage. Mr. Siddaramaiah is hoping that he can survive because he has a support still of the majority of the MLAs. However, he too, I believe, has been told that he will have to accommodate members of the Shiv Kumar camp, either in the cabinet or in various board chairpersons posts.